the previous lesson, you learned how to match different characters at a single position in a string by defining characters enclosed within square brackets. However, if you have a lot of characters to match, your set of characters becomes long. Regular expressions allows you to use the dash or hyphen character to specify a range of characters without needing to list all of them out. Using the examples from the previous lesson, the regular expression f-w in square brackets followed by the lowercase characters OOD will match the strings food, good, hood, mood, and wood. Now, if the expression changes to match any character from G to W at this position, for example, then this will not match the string food. This is because the character F is not part of the character range defined. Let's try some examples on regex 101 website. So let's say we want to match the strings BAT, BET, BIT, BOT, and BUT. Well, if you observe the test strings, the first and third characters are the same. The only different character is the character at the second position of all the test strings. Therefore, we could define a regular expression like this, which works fine. Now, instead of typing all the characters out at the second position, we could just define a range of characters to match any character from lowercase a to u like this. This expression tells the regex engine to match the lowercase character b as the first position, then match any lowercase character from a to u at the second position, then finally match the lowercase character t as the third position. Once you define the character range, all the 5 strings are matched.